Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines in English for 17th of August. And first of all, national news. Ratan Tata launched India's first companionship startup for senior citizens. Delhi-bound Taj Express train searched for 2 hours in UP after false bomb scare. Ready to work with Centre on Health Services, Education, said Arvind Kejriwal. No question of participating farmers' body on Centre's minimum sport price panel meeting. Centre seeks urgent hearing after FIFA suspended India, hearing on Wednesday. Indian defense attach now has unescorted access to the Pentagon, a top US Defense Department official said. Amul, Mother Dairy, milk prices to rise by 2 rupees from Wednesday. Two drown in Manali as Himachal sees flash flood. Rescue operation on. And now some international news. Pakistan finds itself in an economic crisis. PM Shehbaz Sharif. WHO looking to rename monkeypox turned to public for suggestions. Kenyan women William Ruto made history with record election wins. A recent research conducted by the European Space Agency has claimed that the Sun has reached its middle age, estimated at 4.57 billion years. And now some sports news. FIFA's decision to suspend India unfortunate. Committee of Administrators. Good for world cricket. Shikhar Dhawan on India playing against Zimbabwe. Andre Russell, Sunil Narine, Johnny Bairstow among players signed by Abu Dhabi Knight Riders for ILT20. Afghanistan Cricket Board on Wednesday announced a 17-member squad for the upcoming Asia Cup 2022, which will be played from August 27 to September 11 in the United Arab Emirates. And now news related to business. Nifty Sensex extend gains into fifth week despite shaky global stocks. Aadhaar must for receiving government subsidies and benefits. Wholesale price inflation eases to 13.93% in July. Balaji Solutions files draft papers with SEBI to raise funds via IPO. SBI launched its first dedicated branch for startups in Bengaluru. Amul Mother Dairy to hike milk prices by Rs 2 per litre from Tuesday. National flags worth over Rs 6 crore purchased via government portal. And now let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. On 17th of August, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 33 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 27 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.